like 600 crore, which makes the biggest Indian movie to invest in nowadays. And another thing is the main character, which has been spotlight over here, talking about the Prabhas, has been lot big impactful because Prabhas did one of the biggest blockbuster in all the certain kind. As we know, the Bahubali 1 and 2 was quite great in that, and spending money on the Prabhas is a significant plus point because the movie over here is doing pretty well, and the spinning is a great thing on the cast also because the cast over here is very excellent. The cast over here is Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Hassan, Dulquer Salman, Deepika Padukone, Vijay Deverakonda, Brahmanam, and Pashupati. Well, this cast all are playing very impactful role and has each and every scenario plus point over here, and maybe in the second part this character can be impactful. Some of the characters can. Well, the plot of the story is kept very simple and it is well known for someone who are believing in the future. It is based on the Mahabharata and dystopian science fiction. Well, talking about the dystopian science fiction is something like living the poorest life in their area. There is nothing to eat and nothing too much reliable on the other character or wishing to do something great is based on here. Where if I talk to you in the simple way of the meaning, where evil becomes the powerful and the plot based over here is talking about, and the protector is about to born to destroy the evil. So something like that is over here. Now the name of the protector is named the Kalgi, which is the movie based on, and is also known as the form of God Vishnu, which makes very excellent because the mythology is worship over here and are very much trustworthy, and it is written in the great literatures and the books of over here in the Hinduism. Well, at last the positive thing is the movie is doing well, and right now which I'm making the video has collected 800 crores globally, which is very great point, covering the budget and making the total cover profit is a very much plus point. Well, the another thing is many much people are comparing with this movie to the Dune and maybe the Cyberpunk game, but I told you that comparison is not yet been much worthy because if we convert the 600 crores like it makes like $72 million, and if we do the rating of the Dune it is nearby 200 million, which is very much expensive and not even we can say the half of this thing, so it is not a worthy competitor over here. Overall, the time sequence in this movie is 3 hours, which is a quite long taking time to getting built up, and as I told you, the superstar has to adjust the screen time because they are the superstar and each and every character is shown very much importance over here. So this was all about the 30 movie 289880. Well, the year also has the story because it is told that and expected that this might be the era where the Lord Vishnu last form as will be born. So hopefully you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the notification also you never miss